The effect of adding salt on the rate of ice melting. You let ice melt in a cup of water with salt and in another without salt. You measure the amount of time it takes for the ice to completely melt in the two cups. Problem: determining the effect of adding salt on the rate of ice melting. Question: does adding salt to ice and water slow down, speed up, or not change the rate the ice melts in the water? Materials: 2 cups of equal size, 1 labeled control and 1 labeled salt. Water, ice, salt, and stopwatch. Independent variable: salt. Dependent variable: rate of ice melting. Constant variable: amount and temperature of water. Null hypothesis: adding salt to ice and water has no significant effect on the rate of ice melting. Alternative hypothesis: adding salt to ice and water has a significant effect on the rate of ice melting. Cause and effect statement: if you add salt to ice and water, the ice will melt faster. Experimental procedure: pour equal amounts of water into 2 cups. Add a tablespoon of salt onto the cup labeled salt. Put the same number of ice cubes on the 2 cups. Measure the amount of time for the ice cubes to completely melt in the 2 cups. Conducting the experiment, I observed that the ice melted faster in the cup of water with the salt. This means that adding salt to ice has the effect of speeding up its melting. I therefore conclude that adding salt increases the rate of ice melting. Significance of this experiment: knowing how to speed up the melting rate of ice is very important information for anyone who needs to de-ice frozen materials or structures. While it seems simple, adding salt to ice water actually activates 2 complex and contradictory chemical reactions. The salt disrupts the equilibrium of water and ice, slowing down the amount of water freezing into ice and speeding up the amount of ice melting into water. However, because of this disruption, salt lowers the temperature of the water, making the overall melting rate decrease.
Ba 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 banana, ba 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 banana, oh ba 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 banana, ba 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 banana, とかりのポタトリカにマロマニカのティカババババ